Now, let's talk about how you can Gmail Google Documents on your iPad. Well, so you might want to share it somehow, and at first you need to locate it on your iPad. So the most likely situation, if you have some Google document files, is that you have them saved inside of your Files app. It obviously can be also the Dropbox or any other place. Like if you have a third-party Drive application, then you can also just find Google Documents in there. So you just need to locate this file, right? So let's say it's going to be inside of your built-in Files app. But as I say, it can be in different places too. But when you click on this to open it up inside of the Files app, or as I say, Dropbox or Google Drive, you need to just look for the Share button. It is supposed to be somewhere in the top corner, depending on the user interface of your Files app. But when you notice it, you just tap on the Share button, and from all of the possible options, you just want to click the Gmail button, which obviously have some other mail clients too, so if you want to use those, you can. But when you scroll all the way to the Gmail, you can tap on it, and as you're going to notice, the file is already automatically attached as the attachment to the email. So all you have to do is to type in the text and a subject and also choose the recipient, and you can share it right away. So that's how you can just share Google Documents through Gmail. So as I say, once again, the first step is to locate the file, and then just through the share button, find the Gmail icon, and it's already going to be attached there. So that's kind of how it works. If you have more questions, go ahead and leave them below in the comments. But for now, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.